How to play Silent Night in the style of Ludovico Einaudi. How to apply his minimalistic approach and his creation of atmosphere to your improvisation. In this lesson 2, we will discuss 3 techniques combining the melody and some variations of accompaniment in your right hand. If you missed lesson 1, please check it out to get the basic techniques. You will find the link to lesson 1 below in the description. So, let's go into the 3 steps of right hand techniques. By the way, my name is Martin, and I'm here to help you to learn the language of piano improvisation. Okay, technique number 1. Combine your melody with colorful tension notes in your right hand. Let's play an example using the melody of Silent Night. Okay, we'll start with F major, and our melody note is G, and we add the 7 of the chord 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and combine it with our melody note this way. Then we go to A minor, E, this is our melody note, and we combine it with a 9 of the chord 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once again, let's go to the D minor. D is our melody note, and we add the 11 of the chord 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next chord is G major. Let's combine our melody note with the 9 of the chord 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go to the next chord. It's A minor. This is our melody note, the C, and we add the 9 of the chord 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now let's start again. Okay, now let's stop here. Let's go to technique number 2. Combine your melody with a little figures or arpeggios in your right hand. Combine melody notes with this small arpeggios. Let's play an example. Let's start with the F major. This is our melody note, and we add this little figure. You can start with the 7 of the chord, or with the 8, or with the 6. Let's go to A minor. You can start with the 9 of the chord, or with the note of the chord itself. Let's play again. later. Okay, let's go to technique number 3. But before we go to the third step, I have a gift for you. I summarized my improvisation experiences in a simple guide. I call it 4 Steps to Improvise Stunning Emotional Piano. You will find some important notes there on melodies and how to combine them with arpeggiations. You can download this guide for free. It's for you. You will find the link below in the description. It will help you very much to learn the language of piano improvisation. Okay, technique number 3. Combine your melody with more extensive arpeggios. Let's play an example. You can start with a note of the chord itself, or you can start with 7 of the chord, or with a 6. Let's go to A minor, or you can start with a melody note, with the note of the chord itself. Okay, let's start again. Okay. Important point. Emphasize the melody notes and play the tension notes and arpeggios softly. This will bring a life and color to your improvisation. And take your time. Don't hurry. Okay. Don't forget to download your free guide. This will help you to live the treasure of your musical gift, which is in you. See you in the next lesson. We will learn some very cool aspects of dynamics and tempo. I will talk to you soon.